Do not think that water is always in liquid form, because they can also be as hard as stones. So with that being said, what you are going to witness in this video is all about the most amazing scenes of frozen waterfall which turn into ice, creating beautiful scenes of icy Wonderland. Hi, good day to everyone. This is Arthur from AllAboutDiscovery, and today is all about the most amazing scenes of frozen waterfalls. So if you are new in this channel, click the subscribe button and get notified to keep you updated with our new videos. And so, here we go! Number 1 is Huku Waterfall embraces icy sights with rainbow. The continuously dropping temperatures have frozen parts of the Huku Waterfall. The place has taken on the magnificent view with the rainbow hanging across the sky. The Huku Waterfall is the world's largest yellow waterfall and China's second largest waterfall. It sits at the intersection of North China's Shaanxi and Shaanxi province. The latest local temperatures fell to -17 degrees centigrade. Aerial views showed that the Yellow River was running over the cliff with ice blocks. Splashed water created mist as high as 50 meters. Both sides of the waterfall were covered by ice, turning into a silver wonderland. Number 2. Winter air turns Huku Waterfall into icy Wonderland. Freezing winter air has turned China's Huku Waterfall on the Yellow River into an icy wonderland. Masses of ice have been formed from the dripping water of the Yellow River, China's second longest river. The waterfall sits in a narrow, precipitous gorge and is known for its rapid water speeds. It's the largest yellow waterfall in the world and also the largest waterfall on the Yellow River. Number 3. Frozen waterfall attracts tourists in China's Shaanxi province. Snow and icicles have added special charm to Huku Waterfall of the Yellow River after the year's first snow there. Snow blanketed the scenic spot while icicles formed on the two banks of the river, with pieces of ice drifting in the tumbling water. Number 4. Fantastic frozen waterfalls formed in northwest China. Fantastic frozen waterfalls have formed in northwest China after days of lingering snowfall. The incredible spectacle is seen in the valley of Shunyi County of Shaanxi province, where it has been snowing for days. The frozen waterfalls cling closely to the 3 stone walls at the end of the valley through the winding, precipitous trench. The frozen waterfalls, formed in different shapes and sizes, look like beautiful stalactites and uncanny workmanship of the nature, attracting large number of shutterbugs and tourists. Number 5. Frozen waterfall draws sightseers in Minneapolis. A popular Minneapolis waterfall is now a giant, frozen display of huge icicles. Minnehaha Falls freezes every winter. The waterfall drops 16 meters in Minneapolis, but is now frozen solid. Visitors can look at the falls from an overlook, but officials discourage anyone from going down into the basin because of the danger of falling ice. Number 6. Frozen waterfall surprises tourists in northwest China. A waterfall got frozen due to extreme low air temperatures from over the Qingling Mountains over the weekend in northwest China's Shaanxi province. Take a look. Number 7. Frozen weather turns waterfalls into Wonderland. Hamilton is home to over 100 waterfalls. Chilly weather has frozen Tiffany Falls, one of Hamilton's most famous attractions. The 21-meter-high waterfall has been transformed into an enchanted Waterland. Number 8. Spectacular views of a frozen waterfall in northwest China. A frozen waterfall in northwestern China's Shaanxi province has become a hit with tourists. It froze due to the extreme low temperatures that came over the Qingling Mountains over the weekend. Such magical scenes usually happen between the late November and January, sometimes even lasting until February. And that's pretty much it for today's discovery. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Once again, this is Arthur. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.